Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some nachos. And I'll be using 1 pound of ground turkey and 1 pound of extra lean ground beef. The doctor don't want me and Walter to eat so much red meat. So I'm going to mix it. And then maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll use this same meat and make spaghetti. My famous barbecue spaghetti. I just added my extra lean ground beef to the turkey. Okay, the meat is completely done. So now I'm going to add the taco mix. I'm supposed to use 1 packet of taco mix per pound of meat. My camera fogging up. Just a minute. I'll break this meat up a little bit more. Get this hamburger breaker upper thing in the jig. I actually like nachos better than tacos. That's why I fix it so much. Now I'm adding the 2 packets of taco seasoning mix. You're supposed to use 1 packet per pound of meat. And you have to use a liquid. My liquid of choice is chicken broth. So here I am pouring that in there. You can use water if you want to, but chicken broth adds more flavor. That one was the regular. The other I'm about to pour in there is the low sodium, which I prefer to use. I see now that I need a little more liquid, so I'm going to add it. And when I show you how it looks in there, the liquid you see in there is the chicken broth, because this very lean meat didn't make any grease at all. So I don't have anything to dip out. And this mixture is healthier for you than using all beef. Okay, everything is done. The cheese is, you can't see it, but it's heating up now. I didn't add anything to it. Got my plate with my chips on it. I use the spicy Doritos. Oh, and I did add some more spices. I tasted this meat mixture. I added some more chili powder, New Mexican chili powder. I added some granulated garlic. I added some granulated onion. I added a little Himalayan pink salt. I used a little Italian seasoning. And of course some black pepper. What else I do? So this is what I'll be putting on my nachos, picante sauce, and hot jalapeno slices, and of course the nacho cheese. I usually have shredded lettuce, but I'm not having that today. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to dip up my plate. Turn that off. Got a slotted spoon. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? Let me see. Here's. This liquid in here is the chicken broth. It's not grease at all. You get 2 spoonfuls. Wait a minute. I used to have a mat over here. Where is my mat? I had a placemat on over here. Stuff be disappearing and didn't nobody do it. So nobody know nothing about it. Put my y'all see my plate right there. I like picante sauce better than salsa. Oops. What top this go? Right there. My cheese. Peppers. A little hot peppers, y'all. Okay. Get my eat on. Get a little bit of the cheese, a little bit of the salsa, and the chip. You can't even tell that I put the ground turkey in here. It tastes just like regular nachos made with all ground beef. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Oh, the peppers is hot. Hot jalapeno slices. Good. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. I'm trying my best to be more consistent. If I fail to prepare the day before, something always happens and I don't feel anything the next day. So I have to be more thoughtful and I have to prepare. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye.